Welcome to MA. Let us make maths easier. Today we are going to see about the question number 2. Question number 2 here, check the injectivity and surjectivity. Injectivity का मतलब here it is one function. Okay. Surjectivity का मतलब here it is on to function. ठीक है. For given 5 subdivision you have to check whether it is 1 on 2. Okay, therefore here all it is a 1 mark question. Okay, first subdivision, question number 2, first one, function f n related to n given by f of x equal to x square. ठीक है, here n related to n, here natural number, here also natural number. ठीक है, natural number starts from 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, here same natural number 1 2 3 and 4. ठीक है, if I am taking, if x equal to 1, f of 1 equal to 1 square, therefore here 1, therefore 1 is related to 1. Okay, function 1 is related to 1. Okay, if x equal to 2, f of 2 equal to, here 2 square equal to 2 2s are 4, therefore here 2 is related to 4. Again 3 is related to 9, 4 is related to 16. Okay, but here checking 1 is nothing but injectivity. ठीक है, for checking 1 I have said already, here you have to check the domain. Okay, every element in domain has filled with only 1. Okay, element in codomain, therefore here it is 1 function, therefore here it is injectivity. ठीक है, therefore you have to check whether it is surjectivity or not. Surjectivity is nothing but on to function. Okay, for checking on to, here we have to check the codomain. Here it is our codomain. In the codomain, here 2 and 3 is not filled. Okay, has no pre-image, therefore here it is not surjectivity. ठीक है, I hope you are understood the first subdivision. Okay, next second one, function f such that z related to z given f of x equal to x squared. ठीक है, in this question here z का मतलब integers. ठीक है, here I am taking minus infinity to plus infinity, I am taking few examples only. Okay, minus 2 minus 1 0 plus 1 plus 2. Okay, here same minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2. Okay, here now I am substituting x equal to 0. ठीक है, x equal to 0 का मतलब f of 0 0 the whole square equal to again 0. ठीक है, Therefore here first one 0. Next, if x equal to -1, therefore for -1, here f of -1 equal to -1 the whole square equal to +1. Therefore here, okay. Now if x equal to 1, 1 squared equal to 1. Therefore here, see here, for checking whether it is 1 injective, we have to check the domain. Okay, in the domain here -1 and 1 has same image, okay, in codomain. Therefore many to 1. Therefore here it is not injective. Okay, not injective. Next, here -1, -2 and 2, here it will not be filled, okay, in codomain. Here it is blank, okay. Therefore here it is not surjectivity. For checking on to in the codomain, the every images should have its own pre-image. But here -1, -2 up to -infinity, there have no pre-image, because here it is squared. F of x equal to square. If you square the term, it will become only the positive term. Okay, negative term you can square also, it will become positive. Okay. Therefore here in this question, here it is not injectivity, not surjectivity. Therefore you have to write neither injectivity nor surjectivity. Okay. Therefore third subdivision, here third subdivision is similar. Okay, real to real, given f of x equal to square. Therefore here write the given. First, third one, function f such that real number to related to real number, f of x equal to x square. Therefore here I am taking this real number, here also one real number. Therefore real number also, integers also similar. Okay, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Because -infinity to +infinity, I cannot take every terms. Okay, I am taking few examples. Here also same, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Similarly, first we are checking x equal to 0. Okay, f of 0 equal to 0 square equal to 0. Therefore 0 is related to 0. Next, if x equal to 1, f of 1 equal to 1 square equal to +1. Therefore 1 is related to 1. Next, if x equal to -1, here f of -1 equal to -1 whole square. If you square the -1, you will get +1. Therefore here it is -1 related to +1. Therefore here, for checking whether it is 1 function, here you have to check the domain. Here it is our domain. Here two pre-images is related to one image. Therefore here it is many to 1. Therefore here it is not injectivity. Okay. Next, onto का मतलब, here you have to check the codomain. In the codomain -1, -2 up to -infinity, there will be no pre-image. Therefore here it is not surjectivity. Okay, therefore you should write neither injectivity nor surjectivity. If both the conditions it's not satisfied, therefore you should write like this. Okay, neither injective nor surjective. Okay. Okay, subdivision 4. Here function related, okay, natural number related to natural number, f of x equal to x cube. Here function such that natural number related to natural number, f of x equal to here x power cube. Okay, therefore natural number related to natural number. Here I am taking 1, 2, 3. Here same 1, 2, 3 up to plus infinity. I am taking only few examples. Okay, first if x equal to 1, f of 1 equal to 1 cube, therefore 1. Okay, you cube the 1 also, it will become 1. Next, if x equal to 2, f of 2 equal to 2 the cube equal to, you have to multiple 2 into 2 into 2. Therefore 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. This is our required. Therefore here for 1 is related to 1, for 2 is related to 8. Therefore for checking 1 1, here domain, okay, in the domain every element is related to only one images in codomain. Therefore here it is 1 1 function. 1 1 function का मतलब इंजेक्टिविटी. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट on to, checking on to, you have to consider the codomain. Here in the codomain 2 3 4 5, here it is not having the image, pre-image. Therefore here it is not on to. On to का मतलब subjective, subjectivity. ठीक है, not subjectivity. Therefore here you should write 1 1 function. मतलब here you should write injectivity but not surjectivity. Okay, like this you should write. Okay, here onto is not satisfied because here in our codomain 2 3 has no pre-image. Okay, therefore not onto. Not onto का मतलब here not subjectivity. Next, subdivision 5. These are one words. Okay, question number 2, subdivision 5. Here function such that z related to z, integers, f of x equal to x cube. Okay, same function such that integers related to integers, f of x equal to x cube. Okay, now I am taking few examples. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Here same -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, first if x equal to -1, okay, I am taking f of x in the place you take -1, therefore -1 the cube. If you cube, it will become minus 1 only. Okay. Next, if x equal to 0, f of 0 equal to 0 cube equal to 0. Therefore, if x equal to plus 1, f1 equal to 1 cube. Here you cube the 1, it will become 1. Okay. If x equal to minus 2, f of minus 2 equal to minus 2 the cube, you will get minus 8. For same, if x equal to plus 2, you consider here 2 to the cube. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, plus 8 here. Okay. Here now you have to graph. 1 is related to minus 1 is related to minus 1. 0 is related to 0. 1 is related to 1. 2 is related to plus 8. Minus 2 is related to minus 8. Therefore, for checking whether it is 1 1 injective, you have to check the domain. Okay. The domain has, every element has one and only image. Okay. Image in codomain. Therefore, here it is injectivity. Okay. Next, surjectivity. For checking surjectivity, here you have to check the codomain. In the codomain, minus 3, minus 4, here it is not there. It not having its pre-image. Here 3, 4, 5, here it is not having its pre-image, because directly minus 8 plus 8. Okay. In between 2, 3, 4 are has no pre-image. Therefore, here it is not surjectivity. Okay, not surjectivity. Therefore, you have to write injectivity but not surjectivity. Okay, you have to write like this. I hope you all understood. Okay, up to subdivision 5 we have completed. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Dhanyavad. Thank you.